Okay, I'm going to show you how to shade inside of a function or group of functions on TI-Nspire for your project. So to do this, you want to get out your project, and you have to have a grouping of, you can see I have 4 different functions here that have all been restricted. Some of my previous screencasts show you how to restrict functions. They enclose a kind of a quadrilateral looking shape here. And so I want to shade inside of that. I want all of that to be orange for this picture. So to do that, you need to use a tool in menu, in the geometry menu. You can only use this. I'll only allow you for the project to use this on top of existing functions. So when I use this tool, I typically like to change my view to do a little bit more exacting work on TI-Nspire. So I'll change my view at the top here to computer view. And now you can see those 4 functions a little easier. And I'm going to try to shade inside of those functions. When you're in computer view, the menu key won't work. So hit this, go to here, and you'll find under geometry, under shapes, there's a thing called a polygon. Now, polygon's a variable, flexible tool. It tells you the directions up here. You know, if I make a polygon, it'll graph it and shade it in, so you can actually shade that in. So I'm not allowing you to just put a polygon anywhere you want, but you can put it over the top of existing functions. And so I'm going to click a bunch of different points to make this line appear curved. If I do small enough segments here, it actually will definitely appear to be a curved line. And same thing here, I'm just making small segments. It should start to appear to be a curved line. My very last point will be my first point that I started with. I now made a polygon, I believe. And so once you've made your polygon, you can hide some of these points. But if you right-click on the polygon and choose color, you can change the fill color to whatever fill color you want. And so if I change the fill color there, the only thing I have left to do now is I filled in my polygon. I need to hide the point because there's a whole bunch of points. I don't think there's a shortcut here. I think you just have to find the points, right click on them, and hide them. So I'm not going to take the time to hide every point there, but if you go back to view and view this in the handheld, you can see that it does look like that polygon has been shaded. Oh, by the way, if you right click and change the color of the polygon line color to orange, it won't stand out like it was just a second ago. So if you continue to hide those points, pretty soon it just looks like a solid, kind of a weird quadrilateral there that's been filled in. And again, just continue to hide those points and everything will look perfect for you.